In this video we're going to look at the cross-flow cooling tower. We'll look at some of the components and then I'm going to explain to you exactly how it works. We've got the water coming and dripping down through the fill and going to the base of the tower. The air and the water are coming into contact with each other but at a 90-degree angle. So their flow paths are actually going to be across from each other. They're going to cross flow. They're going to flow across each other. And that's where the cooling tower gets its name. Notice we've got a fan on the top of the cooling tower. And the fan is drawing air through the tower. So it's an induced draft type cooling tower because the air is passing over the heat exchanger or the fill before it passes over the fan. We can see the fill is this black section here and it's hexagonal in shape. The fill is effectively a heat exchanger. So the water comes down through the nozzles into the heat exchanger and then it will drip down due to gravity and it will go into the base of the cooling tower. If we go down into the base, we can see that we've actually got a weird kind of ball float mechanism over here. This float mechanism actually allows the lever, this entire lever here, to travel up and down. As it travels up and down, it's going to control the amount of water that's let into the cooling tower. The water that's let in is known as make-up water because we're making up for our losses. Our losses may be due to leakage, maybe due to evaporation or drift, and we need to replace that water so that the cooling tower doesn't run dry.